What's up, y'all? JT with the Super Speed Saturday, and I probably should not do this, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I did put a 6S Lipo inside my Stampede 4x4 VXL. I do have MIP drive shafts, front and rear, etc., etc. And I just strapped the 6S in there to do a speed run. Now, I don't recommend this. I know Castle probably doesn't either. This motor is not 6S rated, but the speed controller can run 6S. So I'm going to do this. Hopefully it won't catch fire or explode or anything like that. So we're going to give this a quick run. I'm in this area, and it's not the biggest area, but I think I should be fine. So let's go ahead. Let's get this set up. You guys see that it is catching. That's 8 miles per hour. I'll probably only do 1 or 2 passes at the most and check the temperatures, and then kind of go from there. So anyway, we're going to start this off slow going down here. I don't know what's going to happen. I know a friend of mine runs about 4S, sometimes 5S on this type of stuff, but we're going to see. I think I just lost a little reception. Okay, yeah, we're losing it, so we can't go all the way down there. So, all right, let's see. Trying to get it up to full speed. Nope. I don't think this is going to happen. That's kind of what I thought. It's just so much in here. But we'll do it one more time. Try to gradually build up to it. I probably should have lowered this down more. Yeah, I'm at half throttle. Not even half, really. Success is a lot. And we just shut down, so we might have overheated. I probably did way too many passes. So let's go check and see what's going on. All right, let's see what's going on. I probably should have put a 2050 motor or something in here to run 6S. So we got 57 off of that, and I wasn't even at full throttle, and I'm pretty sure this is steaming hot. So shut this off. I got my temp gun in the car. I think I do. Speed controller's warm. Motor's hot. There we go. So I was hoping to hit 70, but I probably have to change this out. Let me adjust one thing. Let me adjust this wheelie bar. All right, I took that wheelie bar way down there. Still wheeling. Ooh, wow, oh. Let's go see what happened. All right, let's see what happened. Everything is everywhere. GPS came off. Is that the battery down there? Let's see real quick. So we're still at 57. That's why this is kind of a part 1 video. I went ahead and flipped. Look at that. Came completely off. And the battery and stuff is still strapped up in there, but hopefully I just came unplugged. Yeah, I just came unplugged there, so nothing like shorted out. So the tire did rip off and stuff with that, which I kind of anticipated a little bit. So my goal is to make this a 100-mile-per-hour truck, which I've seen videos in the past of this. So I definitely need to lower it down. I definitely need to change the body out because it's up too high. It's catching too much wind. And then do a couple other minor adjustments and stuff to it. So this goes 60 miles per hour on 3S, and it can run it good without doing anything to it. So I am going to have to go in and change the motor out and put probably a 2050 in there, or maybe a 1800 kV. Change the gearing on it a little bit. Of course, I can use the Mod 1 gears and stuff to it. There's a lot of things I can do to make this a 100-mile-per-hour truck, which I will do, but I definitely got to make some adjustments and get some different tires and stuff, and I blew that completely off. I like that sound. So anyway, guys, I wanted to test this out and show this to you guys. Put your comments down below. Ooh, that car sounded good going by. And don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.